Good morning, friends. So, how are you? In the last lecture, we have studied about the excretory system. What were the components of the excretory system? What were the vertical section of the uh, kidney? So, in that we have also studied that the nephron is the functional unit of the kidney. It is nephron. It is the structure that nephron is the structure which is actually filtering the blood and producing the filtering the blood and just keeping out the nitrogenous waste. So nephron is the structural unit of the excretory system. Here generally we get confused after seeing this structure. So I'll make the diagram in front of you, so you will find that it is very easy to draw the diagram. It appears so complex, but it is not so complex. It is very simple. So first we will come to know what are the different components, then we will come to the structural part. In each and every kidney, 1.5 billions of the nephrons are present, right? Millions of the nephrons are present in each of the kidney, and each nephron is the functional unit. Here this is the place where the filtration of blood takes place. So as parts are concerned, the human this nephron consists of the following organs like glomerulus, Bowman capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct. These are the organs which is present in the nephron. You can see here the things has been labeled. Now coming to the structural part, how this structure we are making. So I'll make the diagram also, and along with that I'll explain also. This is for the ready reference for you. So see, this nephron starts with a capsular structure that is called as Bowman capsule. Very simple, you can draw like this. It is a capsule, it's a U-shape or a cup-shaped structure, right? And in this Bowman capsule, the afferent arteriole comes. You can see the lumen of the afferent arteriole is broader, ये चौड़ा है, and efferent when it comes out from this capsule, the Bowman's capsule, its lumen is narrow. इसका जो नली है वो छोटा है. Earlier it was broad, now it is small. So it will, because of the difference in the diameter of the tubule, it will produce a pressure. It will responsible for the filtration due to the pressure. So afferent arteriole is broader, and efferent arteriole, this one is the smaller, right? So blood coming from the afferent arteriole, they meet in a particular place. There is a inside the glomerulus, inside the Bowman capsule, and it forms very complex network like structure that is called as glomerulus. So we will make the glomerulus. This is the, just no need to be worried how we will make the diagram, just make it complex. This is the glomerulus, and just attached with the afferent arteriole, a big artery. The big shape means you can say that the जिसका नली चौड़ा होगा, that is the afferent arteriole, and it will come out from here with the narrow lumen. Like see, the very small lumen I made. This Bowman capsule extends towards the end, and it forms a tubular part that is called as proximal convoluted tubule. अब इसको बनाना बड़ा आसान है, ये घुमाया. They are making so complex in the diagram. You will see it is so complex, right? गोल गोल घुमा करके सिर्फ उसको बना देना है. Nothing is there. कैसे भी आप बनाए उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. Just you make 2 or 3 fold. It shows that it's a highly coiled structure. ये हमने इसको गोल गोल घुमा दिया. ये बन गया हमारा what? This is proximal convoluted tubule. इसको शॉर्टकट में PCT कहते हैं. ये proximal convoluted tubule अब आगे की ओर जाएगा, और they will make another part of the tubular structure which is narrower than the earlier also, and now this is called as loop of Henle. Henle was a scientist. He has discovered this. That's why in the honor of his name this loop of Henle was given. And make again इसको फिर से गोल गोल घुमा दीजिए। ये बहुत ही सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर है। वेट, जस्ट इसको ऐसे करके घुमा देना है, ये आया ऐसे, और ये हमारा बन गया डिजिटल कॉन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूब्यूल। डिजिटल डिस्टेंस जो बाद में आए, डिजिटल कॉन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूब्यूल, राइट। और ये जाकर के ओपन हो जाएगा किसमें, एक डक्ट में, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं कलेक्टिंग डक्ट। बस ये ओपन हो गया, इस कलेक्टिंग डक्ट में। हो गया हमारा पूरा का पूरा डायग्राम खत्म। अब आई बात यहाँ पे वेन एंड आर्टरीज बनाने का। सो क्या करेंगे, इस वेन एंड आर्टरीज को आप घुमा दीजिए कैसे भी, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप कैसे घुमाते हैं, ये किधर से घूम करके किधर निकल जाता है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। बस आपको शो करना है कि ये इसके अंदर से घूम करके निकल गया। तो ये पार्ट हमने इधर हाफ तरह साइड में यहाँ पे arterial part I will make, because it will carry the pure blood and the other will be impure blood, and at the junction you all are knowing they are the fine capillaries. So ये हमारा बन गया capillary part, right? So now this is the vein, renal vein. This is just connect it. So this is renal vein, and the same with the artery also. This one. Now it is coming like this. It came. This is the renal artery. Just connect it. बन गया हमारा सिंपल सा डायग्राम। This is what? This is Bowman capsule. This one, this capsular part. This is the Bowman capsule. Inside the Bowman capsule, there is a complex network-like structure which is formed by the afferent and afferent arteriole. It come out from the Bowman capsule, that is efferent arteriole, and inside this one it forms the glomerulus. The glomerulus and this Bowman capsule are combinedly known as Malpighian tubule. So how it happens? First, the cup-shaped structure was there, that is the Bowman capsule. Here, this is the Bowman capsule, this cup-shaped structure. Then glomerulus, then proximal convoluted tubule. This Bowman capsule extended outward and it formed a tubular structure that is called as proximal convoluted tubule. Next tubular part is the loop of Henle. Here, this again a constricted region is there. Here, this I can change the color for you. Just wait. We can change the color so easily you can understand. And in exam you can draw with the color, these colorful diagram with the colored pencils, but you will not use the pen, right? Colored pen you will not use, but you can use the colored pencil. So now it is clear. This green color portion is the loop of Henle. Now coming to the after the loop of Henle, this is the last part, the tubular part, that is the distal convoluted tubule. It opens in a duct that is called as collecting duct. Now coming to the function, what happens where? So see, the Bowman capsule is the actual place where the filtration occurs. What after filtration? Reabsorption of material should be done. So in the proximal convoluted tubule, the 90% materials has been reabsorbed. The nutrients has been reabsorbed. Now water level. So in the loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, the water will be reabsorbed. The maximum reabsorption occur at the loop of Henle. Whatever the part of the water was left, they will be reabsorbed at distal convoluted tubule. And here in the collecting duct, the concentration of the urine will be decided. Means maximum, whatever the last part was there, कुछ भी बचना नहीं चाहिए। हमारा बॉडी उसको फिर से रीचेक करता है, और रीचेक करने के बाद कलेक्टिंग डक्ट में डालने से पहले रीअब्जॉर्ब जितने भी पानी हमारे बॉडी को रिक्वायर्ड होता है उसको फिर से वापस ले लेता है, और द वाटर विच इज एक्स्ट्रा दे विल बी कीप इट आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन थ्रू द कलेक्टिंग डक्ट. It will go to this collecting duct will go to the ureter, and then ureter to urinary bladder, and urinary bladder to urethra. This is the route. Now these are the part where it is situated. In the last diagram we have studied that is the structure of the kidney. If we will draw the structure of the kidney, this glomerulus, Bowman capsule and proximal convoluted tubule, these will be present in the cortex region. These were the medullary region. These were the medullary region. So this, in this cortex region, these three structures will be present, right? And the loop of Henle will be present in the medullary region, like here. If wait, I'll draw a complete diagram for this. Like suppose this is the kidney, this is the kidney, right? And these are the medullary part, the medullary ray, the medullary pyramids, and they combine together and they form the ureter. So they form the ureter. So here in this cortex part, which will be present in cortex part, this Bowman's capsule, glomerulus and proximal convoluted tubule will be present. This loop of Henle will be present in the medullary region, and in the again cortex region, the distal convoluted tubule will be also present in the medullary this cortex region. DCT and CT convoluted, this collecting duct and distal convoluted tubule both will be present in the cortex region of the kidney. So this is all about the structure and function of the kidney. Just have a recap. These are the parts. The kidney consists of Bowman capsule, which is a cup-shaped structure. Inside, a network-like structure of the arteries. Afferent and efferent arteries are there. That is called glomerulus. This Bowman capsule extended outward and it forms proximal convoluted tubule, and it extends also further, which makes the ascending, descending and ascending loop of Henle, where maximum reabsorption of water will be there, and whatever the water will left and then other ions will left, like sodium ion, this is reabsorbed in the distal convoluted tubule. It's a tubular part, it's a cup part, right? So tubular part can be divided into two parts, proximal and distal. Proximal loop of Henle and distal. So this distal convoluted tubule again open into the collecting duct, where the concentration of urine will be decided, and the urine will be concentrated because of the reabsorption of the water. If more amount of water is available in the water, surplus amount is there, then our urine will be diluted. If less amount of water is there, maximum portion of the water will be reabsorbed from this nitrogenous waste. Only nitrogenous waste will be just keep it out, we will release the out. So our urine will be concentrated, they will be more concentrated, more urea will be present there. So होप ये समझ में आया होगा. बहुत आसान स्ट्रक्चर है नेफ्रॉन का बनाना, कंफ्यूजन होने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. सिर्फ आपको इसके पार्ट्स पे ध्यान देना है. ये कहाँ भी घूम रहा है, कैसे भी घूम रहा है, ये बहुत ज्यादा मतलब नहीं रखता है. आपको इसके पार्ट्स का नाम याद रखना है. The cup shape structure, that is Bowman capsule. Inside this, glomerulus is there. The first tubular structure is the proximal convoluted tubule. The mid one is the loop of Henle. The last one is the distal convoluted tubule. Then the second last is the distal convoluted, and last one is the collecting tubule duct, which will open into the ureter part. So thanks for watching. In the next class we will study about some other topics. Thank you.